Welcome to day 26 of the 28-day photo challenge. Now today we're taking photos of every engineer's nightmare, architecture. Now this concept is fairly simple. We're going to be using some of the previous steps that we've already learned, like golden ratio, rule of thirds, and we're going to be taking pictures of, well, architecture.
I have exactly 36.5 seconds of usable footage from what I shot. It's absolutely freezing. I have a ridiculously bad migraine right now, so I didn't explain anything throughout the entire shoot. So I'm going to try to explain it now so I can get this video done and have it uploaded in the next 8 hours. So for architecture, you want to go for leading lines. You want to use the golden ratio or phi ratio. Those will help out a lot. Lighting and reflections are going to be your best friend throughout this. Always going to want to utilize negative space. You're never going to want to have multiple buildings one after another. You're always going to want to keep either like 90-degree bends or 45-degree bends in pretty much every shot. It'll keep everything looking just more professional. And when you're looking at buildings, you want to essentially isolate patterns. You want to find different textures, different patterns, different lighting, material colors, things that make it stand out. Unfortunately, it was the middle of the night when I was shooting this, so every picture was super high ISO. I only got 3 shots, which you'll see in a minute, but I just wanted to explain that those are essentially the things that I'm looking for in these shots as I was taking them. So we can roll this section here, and then I'll come back when we get to the end. Manual. ISO 6400. Well, that's good. This building looks cool too. Cool. There's nothing cool. I mean, like there is. There's no like cool angles of anything. Because I'm trying to get like architecture. Like leading lines. ISO 10,000. You can see a star. Huh. Yay. So hopefully you got kind of like a better understanding of architecture photography. I mean, you're taking pictures of like art, essentially, which is pretty much what I was illustrating with that first one where I was taking a picture of art. Because that's essentially what it is you're making art or capturing art using a building or like some kind of structure, using different colors, different lighting, different patterns, different directions, reflections, shadows, negative space, and you're just combining all of that together to capture structures. So hopefully you got something useful out of this. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, or don't do any of it. I'm not telling you what to do.